Imagine this. You're a young person navigating a world where everything is moving a mile a minute. Social media, school, career decisions, constant pressure. It feels like your mind is a web browser with 50 tabs open at once, and you can't seem to close any of them. Sound familiar? Well, you're not alone. But what if I told you there's a simple, powerful way to slow down and regain control of your thoughts and emotions? That's where meditation comes in. And trust me, it's not just sitting with your eyes closed. It's a life-changing tool, especially for people your age. Let me share a quick story. There was a young student, let's call him Ravi, who was struggling to balance school, personal life, and the pressure to succeed. One day, his friend introduced him to meditation, something rooted in Buddhism. At first, Ravi was skeptical. How can sitting quietly help me deal with all these real-life problems, he thought. But after a few weeks, something amazing happened. Meditation helped him detach from the constant distractions of life. He became more mindful, less reactive. Buddhism teaches that meditation isn't about avoiding challenges, but about facing them with a calm mind and an open heart. Ravi found inner peace, not by avoiding his struggles, but by living fully in the present moment. And this inner calmness helped him handle anxiety, pressures, and even his relationships better. He started journaling his thoughts, which further helped him understand his emotions. Ravi also found time for hobbies he loved, which brought more joy into his life. Eventually, he began sharing his meditation journey with others, inspiring them to find their own peace. Now let's talk science. Psychology shows us that our brains are still developing in our youth. The prefrontal cortex, the part that helps us make decisions and control impulses, is like a muscle that's not fully formed yet. That's why sometimes it's hard to stay focused or calm in stressful situations. Meditation, however, can help. It's like a mental gym workout. For Ravi, this daily practice strengthened his ability to make better decisions and stay in control of his emotions, which is crucial for young people still figuring out life. And here's where neuroscience makes it even more exciting. When we meditate regularly, the brain literally changes. Studies show that meditation increases gray matter in areas linked to memory and emotional regulation. For Ravi, who struggled with overthinking and stress, this was a game changer. He wasn't just feeling calmer, his brain was physically adapting to handle life's challenges better. Meditation also reduces the size of the amygdala, which is the fear center of the brain. This means that over time, Ravi found it easier to stay calm under pressure, be it exams, social stress, or anxiety. And here's where it gets real. It's not about being perfect. Ravi still faced challenges. Life didn't suddenly become easy. But the difference was, with meditation, he learned to respond instead of react. He found that by living in the moment, even the most chaotic days seemed a little easier to handle. That's the magic of meditation. It gives you the mental clarity and emotional stability you need to thrive in a world full of distractions. So, what's next? You're probably wondering, how do I even start with meditation? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In my next video, I'll break down exactly how to meditate as a young person. Whether you've got just 5 minutes a day or want to dive deeper, I'll show you step by step how to begin and make it part of your life. Trust me, you'll feel the difference. So make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and get ready to transform the way you approach life.